What's up, guys? Mr. Pack Ripper here with another video. Today I'm going to open up some 1985 Topps. Now, this is one of my favorite years. It's a great rookie class, as I'm sure a lot of you know. You know, we got the McGwire USA card. We got, Mattingly's second year. Puckett rookie. Clemens rookie. Strawberry second year. Gooden rookie. A lot of good cards, and I really love this this set these years. Before I begin, I'm sure a lot of you have concerns with buying wax packs that could have potentially been open, right? So, for me, I buy my inventory from sellers that I know and that I have relationships with. But I could show you some of the things that, you could look for to ensure the packs you're getting are not tampered with, right? I mean, less using a fingerprint kit. There are things you can look for on your packs to see if they've been breached or not, right? So one of the things I like to look for in wax packs is, this corner right here like that. If these corners they look like this, and they're folded this way, chances are it wasn't tampered with. It's very hard, if impossible, to recreate these folds right here. Once you open a pack and, if someone tries to, repackage it, just look for these. If you do not see these, I recommend you just, don't say anything, put the packs down and walk away. So, with that being said, let's get to it. Let's open up our first pack, see what we got. The only thing, I was just thinking, I was about to say it too. One of my pet peeves with these years are the gum stains. All too often I've opened up packs where, the gum was right on the main card. Recently I was opening up some 1988 Topps football, trying to pull Michael Irvin rookie and Bo Jackson rookie. In two of those packs, one of the packs I did get the Irvin rookie, but the gum was right on him and stained the card. In another pack, I did get the Bo Jackson rookie, and that card had the gum right on it, and the gum stains look just like this. So, it is what it is. If you want these kind of cards, you're going to have to, take that into consideration, and try not to be upset if your main card has that. So let's see what we have here. A very off-centered Yogi Berra, Dale Berra, father and son. Tim Stoddard, Bruce Sutter, Jeff Russell, Ben Ogilvy, Glenn Wilson. See what I'm saying? Look, there's a Cal Ripken All-Star. And look, drenched in gum stain. Neil Allen, Mike Marshall. Goose Gossage, Keith, Johnny Grubb, Ken Singleton, and Darryl Brown. So that's the first one down. I really do. My favorite years, 85, 84, 83. Those are my three favorite years in the 80s. I like 89 Upper Deck, too. I recently opened up a box and a half and pulled 3 Griffey rookies. I still have them in my collection. I'm going to get them graded when PSA opens back up. And I'll have a video which, over time, I'll have videos which will showcase parts of my PC And I'm sure you'll see them. And we got a Henderson. It's a nice looking Henderson. Ricky. Gotta love you some Ricky. Gary Roenick. Ron Gardenhire. Ned Yost. There's an Eddie Murray. It's always a nice, Hall of Famers are nice to have. Oh, there he is, Buckner. The following year, he boots that ground ball that allows the Mets to win it. It is Dusty Baker. And Den Walling. The father and son, Bob Kennedy and Terry Kennedy. Quisenberry. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with sports in these days, but he was a sidearm pitcher. Lance Parrish, Greg Harris, and Gary Matthews. So, another one down. Anyone who wants some 30-year-old gum? Okay. Next. I have a lot of fun opening these packs because it wasn't something I could do a lot of when I was a kid, collecting these cards. See? Thank goodness it's a Rob Piccolo, because if that was a Roger Clemens, I would have been upset. Okay. Ivan DeJesus, Gary Lavelle, Ricky Horton, Pete Ladd, Jose Cruz, Broderick Perkins, Vance Law, Jim Morrison, and a piece of garbage. Guidry, Shane Mack. This was actually a pretty decent card back at the time. Tom Foley, Mike Easler. See, when they've been sitting there for over 30 years, they kind of get stuck together. Okay. I wouldn't do that with cards that are the stars. Okay, let's open another. A Moose Hash right off the top. Nobody. I just like the name. Oh, another Henderson All-Star. Scott 1T Thompson. Mike Norris. Greg Gross. Oh, Eric Davis rookie. Boom. Oh, you son of a... look at that corner. Ah, it's horrible. And we got some gun stains in the back. It sucks. But that's the way the game goes. Andy Van Slyke. This might be a Van Slyke rookie. Yes, it is. Ken Herbeck. Kurt Wilkinson. Tito Landrum. Greg Pryor. Moose Hash. Okay. Another pack down. We have 20 packs total. So, let's see how it goes. I mean, either way, I enjoy this. I really do. People will argue that buying packs and opening them is a bad investment. Well, I don't just open packs. And I like to buy packs and boxes, that have potentially significant value. I also buy singles, right, for the investment value. I buy packs and boxes because from an ROI standpoint, they are far riskier than buying singles. And that risk comes with a potential high reward, right? So personally, I like to believe that I'm luckier than most, that I will pull, several cards. When some say mathematically you're lucky if you pull one, you know, my luck, I'll pull three. That's how it's been for me. Sometimes you don't, but that's the game. That's the gamble, right? So, Jim Slayton, Ken Phelps. I remember when he played for the Yankees for a little bit. Juan Augusto. I don't know you. Rupert Jones. Wade Boggs. That's this Wade Boggs' second year. Dave Kingman. Kirk Gibson. Carmen Castillo. Hey, Tippy Martinez. Gerald Perry. And this is Howard Johnson, rookie. Yeah, with a gum stain. All right. Next one. Guys, if you have any questions about cards, feel free to write a comment. I'll do my best to answer as many as possible. I do read my comments, so you will not be ignored. But if you have questions about cards, my collection, your own collection, feel free to let me know in the comments below. And like and subscribe while you're at it. Rick Sutcliffe, Domingo Ramos, Jim Wynn, we got the Pete Rose. This is a good card. Benny. I don't know how to say your last name, Benny. Look at this. Stuck. Boom. John Denny. After Benny. Eddie Cox. Joe Nolan. Hey, this is done something. Moat May. Spike Owen. Tim Raines. Hall of Famer. Just was inducted into the Hall of Fame. Kevin Bass. Lance Parrish. And George Vukovic. All right, another one down. Win a trip for 4 to the 1986 All-Star Game. You think it would be too late for that? All right. Next one. Oh, look at that. Look at that mustache. Raleigh fingers. I think, man, I saw the USA team. I thought it was going to be you. No ho. Mike Schmidt, All-Star. Extremely off-centered. Brad Leslie, Billy Swift. Look at this. They're stuck. Record breaker, Juan Samuel. Most stolen bases in a rookie season. Let's see how many stolen bases he had that year. 72. There's an Eckersley that has more gum stains than value. And Raleigh Fingers with the great mustache. Old school Phillies uniform. Jerry Hairston. Dennis Lamp. Larry McWilliams. Dave Engels, Scott Sanderson, Tony Bernard. I don't even know. I'm not even trying to pronounce What's his last name? All right. We're about a third of the way through. Bobby Meacham. Jeff Jones. Danny Ozark. Jim Fry. Kevin Gross. Gary Lucas. Steve Kemp. Jerry Martin for the Mets. Definitely do not remember you. Bob Brenly. Bob Welch. Dave Parker. Tito Landrum. Mark Wagner. Glenn Hubbard. Done and done. Okay. If anyone is building an 85 Topps baseball set and you need commons, let me know. You'll get an amazing discount for being a follower or subscriber. Guarantee better price than anywhere else. Okay. Ruffino. Don't know how to say your last name. Gary Ward. Dennis Boyd. Oil Can Boyd. Joaquin Engajar. Kurt Hoffman with more gum stain than anything. Dave Bergman. John Butcher. Dale Murray. John Castino. Omar Moreno. Carlton Fisk. Sammy Stewart. John Lowenstein. And we are getting there. We are getting there. And another pack. Go. Markel. Gary Carter All-Star. Oh, Mike Manning. Scott 1T Thompson. Mike Norris. Anybody behind there? Yeah, Greg Gross. Not even going to try to separate them. Mike Flanagan. Len Sakata. Wayne Gross. Carmelo Martinez, Cecil Cooper, Mike Caldwell, I don't even know, Chuck Tanner, okay. I hope you guys are enjoying this, watching me open these packs. I mean, that's the point, right? You sit back and relax. I open packs, we see what I get. I have some giveaways where, you know, audience members will win the cards that get pulled. Oh, let's see who's this? Oh, Mike Doon. Alan Bannister stuck to it. Thank God it's not a McGwire because Gumstain. It's really hard to pull, you know, high grade card when A lot of these cards are stuck with gum stains. Gary Ward, E. Lacy. Oh, there he is! Bada bing. All right, be very careful. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Oh man, my fingers. Not bad, not bad. I can't see. See, that's the beauty. That's why I love opening packs. I love it. That's the best card in the whole set. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, back to it. Steve Rogers, and no, well, maybe this is Captain America. Steve Rogers, Cliff Johnson, Tom Nito, Pete O'Brien, Steve Balboni. I remember he played for the Yankees. Tony Armas, Julio Franco. Is this a Franco rookie? Yeah. All right, Julio Franco. That's a decent card. Dale Murphy with a big gum stain. Lee Lacy, Gary Ward, Mike Dunn, Alan Bannister. So far, we've gotten the McGwire rookie. Look, 35 cents. Oh, God. Imagine going back in time. You know, maybe 20 grand. Look, Reggie Jackson. And Rusty Kuntz. Blasted with a gum stain. Paul Mirabella. Oh, Scott 1T Thompson. How you doing, Scott 1T? With your, what's the mustache called? Handlebars? Jack Morris. Actually, I think that thing's not that bad. It's probably, I think it's worth a few dollars. Put that up right on COMC. Probably take 5 years to sell, but Don Robinson, Bud Black, Alex Trevino, Mickey Rivers, Reggie, very off-centered Reggie. Speaking of Reggie, I have a giveaway coming up, Reggie Jackson related. So, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram too. The link is in the description. I'm going to be making an announcement for a giveaway that's Reggie Jackson related. You'll see. Darryl Porter, Milt Wilcox. All right. All right. There we go. Terry Francona, there he is. I believe it's the same Terry Francona who managed the Red Sox when they won the World Series. Guidry. Oh, man, you hear that? That's that gum. Mario Soto with gum stain all over him. Ben Ogley, Glenn Wilson. Oh, yeah, Bob Skinner and Joel Skinner. I believe Joel Skinner was a Yankee catcher for a year. Tim Conroy, Mike Caldwell, Clay Christensen. You know, the Yankees in the 80s, they didn't win any championships, but they had the most regular season wins of any team. Another Andy Van Slyke rookie. George Hendrick. Larry Herndon. Greg Pryor. Oh, lost that one. Moose Haas and Terry Francona. There he is. Look at him. How young. How old is he in this? 69. 85. 25. 24, actually. Depending on the months. I didn't look at the months, I just looked at the year. 59. The year he was born, 1959. So we are getting through it. I mean, at minimum, I got a McGwire rookie, so I'll take that. Even if we don't get anything else for the rest of the way. Oh, Sid Atkins. I saw that USA card. I thought we had 2 for 2 with McGwire. Oh, Steve Rogers, Captain America. Oh, I can't even get it apart. There he is, Steve Rogers. I didn't know he played for the Expos. Craig McCurtry, Bob Baylor. Roy Smith. Frank Pastore. Bruce Sutter. Most saves in a season in the National League. Let's see, how many saves did he have? The former NL mark of 37 saves had been set by Reds Clay Carroll in 1973 and tied by Padres Raleigh Fingers in 1978. So he set the record here with 45 saves. Jim Clancy. No relation to Tom Clancy. Frank Tanana. Chet Lemon. Strawberry, second year. What's with the off-center, all the good cards off-center? Steve Kemp. Whoa, with the Paul O'Neill's number. I guess Steve Kemp was number 21 before Paul O'Neill was his Yankee 21. George Brett, nice. This year in 85, Royals win the World Series that year. They beat the Reds, the Cardinals. Okay. I remember that World Series. All right. There we go. I would like to see a Clemens. Steve Crawford. Bill Dawley. Sam Waddell. Thad Bosley. Bruce Bochy. Father and son. Dizzy Trout and Steve Trout. George Brett All-Star with a massive gum stain. Chuck Porter. Mike Pagliarulo. I remember when he played third base for the Yankees. This is rookie. Oh, I didn't know he came up with the Yankees, huh? Columbus. Yeah, I remember when he was the third baseman for the Yankees. Jim Rice. Darryl Motley. Mike Schmidt. Schmidt. Jerry DeBizzi. Jerry DeBizzi. No, how would I say it? DeBizinski, yeah. It's not so hard. Kelvin Chapman. Ernie Witt. All right. Everyone, we're getting there. We are making progress. We have 4 packs left out of 20. 35 cents this was. Some at one time. All right, 4 packs to go. We're just crossing the 30-minute mark here for this video. wrapping up soon. For those of you who've stuck around from the beginning, I appreciate you. I don't forget those who, another Mike Dunn, I don't forget those who are loyal. Alan Bannister. A checklist. Checklists, believe it or not, are worth far more than anyone would suspect. Why? Because they're the hardest cards to get, even in like great shape, and people need them because people are trying to build sets. And the checklist is one of the hardest cards to get. So, checklists. Remember that. Bobby Brown. Get down, Bobby Brown. That's not a... I don't know if this is a... What do you call... what's his name? Barry Bonds' brother. My wife is actually knew Bobby Brown. Oh no, this Bobby Brown, not Bobby Bonds. What am I talking about? I thought that was Bobby Bonds. Never mind. Don't mind me. It's late. I'm tired. Mike Hargrove. Ripken. All right. Don't mind me, guys. I am exhausted, but wanted to make this video for you. You guys deserve it. You've been so great following me on Instagram. I gotta put I gotta burn the midnight oil for you guys. This is what it takes, When you have people that rely on you to produce content they like, being tired doesn't come first. Sleep doesn't come first. Your subscribers come first. So, make sure you subscribe. We're going to be giving away something at 100 subscribers. I think I might be just over 50 right now. The channel's brand new. I don't think it's older than a month. So make sure you like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I'm going to start ramping up these pack opening videos. Steve Braun, another Skinner family. Joel Skinner, I remember him very well. Mike Kuko, Rick Langford. Oh, God. See, it's the only thing I cannot stand when they stick together. Look how bad this gum stain is. Rich Gale, Ned Yost, Kevin Landreau, Terry Pendleton, Tom Herr, Tim Ladner, Jeff Dedman, Ricky. You gotta love me some Ricky, man. Love me some Ricky. Nice. I think I already got one of these. Tim Flannery. I think I got one of these early on. This is All-Star. Yeah, I did. This is the second one. Let's see. Hopefully we can go out with a bang. Hopefully we can go out with a bang. One more great rookie, I'll be satisfied. Even if what I paid for these packs does not exceed, is lower, if the cards that I pull from the packs, the value does not exceed the cost of the packs, I don't care. You know why I don't care? Don Schulze. Because it's for your entertainment. Mike Boddicker. Louis Salazar. Another checklist. Remember what I said about checklists? Rusty Staub. Ed Lynch. Jack Lazarko with a huge gum stain. Willie Randolph, how you doing, Willie? Scott Fletcher, Dave Stegman, Buckner, Phil Bradley, Ron Darling, Tug McGraw, Ed Nunez. All right, we're one away. Tug McGraw. Wasn't there a McGraw that was a Tim McGraw? Are they brothers? Tug McGraw, Tim McGraw. All right, here we go. The last one. We have more. I mean, I'm gonna have more videos. I mean, I can't, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna sit here and open 3 boxes in a row. I'll be sitting here forever. The better I get with creating videos, you know, the more entertaining I become, the higher the quality becomes, the recording quality, the video quality, the audio quality, all that good stuff. Then I feel comfortable with having live streaming events and, you know, recording videos in excess of, 90 minutes to 2 hours and open box after box after box. You know, I'm still learning. I'm brand new to this video creation stuff, so please bear with me. I'm doing my best, and I will continue to do my best. And, it should be interesting enough for you to see how I progress. So, with that being said, here's the final pack. Dickie Knowles, Larry Milbourne, Ted Has No Power, Len Sakata, Jim Fanning, Jerry Hairston, Dave Concepcion, Glenn Hoffman, Dusty Baker again, Denny Walling, the Kennedy father and son duo, Quisenberry again, Larry Parrish, and Greg Harris. So, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 1985 Topps packs, and we did pull the Holy Grail of 1985 Topps. So, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment in the bottom. If you have any requests for any type of brand, years, or sports cards you want to see me open, feel free to comment that. I'll do what I can to oblige. So, with that being said, Mr. Pack Ripper, I'm out. Bye, guys.